It's day 4.
Day 4 of the
Yay! We're here in Ayala right now for your marami mo ba yung
shirt.
costume because it's buwan ng Mika. So he doesn't want to wear barong. He wants to wear the shirt na lang and then we'll just style it. Parang siya Filipino outfit. We're going to meet with friends later for the Thursday group for the Bible study.
Don't get distracted.
Heading to the Bible study group. I think it only happens once a week. Ano taas ko niya?
Movies, of course. I don't know, but
Grabe ka taas.
Suicide Squad.
What?
Suicide Squad, when the villain turns to,
How do you know?
I already know.
Kanawa, taas ko niya. See?
Like Joker is good, Harley is good.
What?
The villain will turn good. Because they were forced to be a superhero by the government.
Wow guys, grabe kataas ang linya sa movie. Siya to, Suicide Squad now. How come you're so updated?
I have everything.
Hi, Anton.
Hi, Anton.
Busy siya, okay. Vlogging.
It got me thinking lately. I was talking to a friend earlier about, I was listening to her and she was sharing about how her business is taking her out of her comfort zone and, you know, how it stresses her a lot. It got me thinking how timely it was, that conversation, because earlier today I have been thinking about being out of my comfort zone. Recently, that's how I felt. It's been tough and it's been rough and I feel that I'm really out of my comfort zone, and then I realized that I just have to keep going, and it's actually a good thing because when you're taken out of your comfort zone, your character is actually being built, and as you persevere and you continue to do hard work and you continue to just go for the goal and keep going and be driven by your passion and whatever it is that you want to achieve, you'll actually get there. Your perseverance and your hard work will eventually bear fruit, and it's going to happen. Sometimes get so impatient. It's really hard, and I sometimes cry and I just want to give up, but I know that if I do that, nothing will really happen. But if I persevere and I continue to keep going and allow God to build my character by taking me out of my comfort zone, that's all that matters. Hope I'm making sense to you. Just, some things that I had in mind and I want to share to everyone. So,
Good night.
yeah, that's it for tonight, and
Bye.
see you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe.